On the main screen, you press enter to select your test. The up and down arrow will allow you to select, right? So let's go back. So see if I to stop enter. Right? So if whatever test I want, I could select. See that? So that's the one I want to run. So all I have to do is press enter. Now if you look down here, it's asking me, the up arrow to calibrate, the down arrow to continue. You are never going to calibrate. Calibration is usually done by the company people or the lab supervisor or a technologist. So usually you don't calibrate. So which arrow should you press?
Down.
You press the down arrow. So here it's asking you to do what? Select a load list. So which one should we select? One, because they're all available, right? So all you have to do is press 1, enter. Okay? And you'll then, now it's asking you what?
Select, what's that, sample ID? No.
Sample ID or to start analysis. At this point, you can put in sample ID. Do not do that. So you want to start the analysis. So you'll press the down arrow. Okay? So you press the down arrow. So now you see what it's doing? Now it's going to read what's on the carousel. What are you asking for? Okay? And then it's checking the rotor and see how many spaces are left on the rotor. So now it's asking you what position you want to start your test. So we used up how many before? 4, right? So that was 4 things that was done because we had 4 there. So it used up 4. So what would be the next space available? 5. So you press 5, enter. Doesn't take it. 4, enter. Okay, so you got to go back 1. So where is it stopped? So you see what I did. So if you run this, well, it actually used up 3 on each side. See, so now it's asking you that it's not asking for the pool, but you have 3 controls. If you had specimen, it will do the same thing. Specimen is run just like we're running the controls here. So now it's asking you for your load list to put in what you have in position 1, 2, and 3. And it's showing you here to change. So which arrow is that?
Up.
That's this up. No, it's not the up. It's the side arrow, which is the sort of the enter arrow, if you will. See that? So you're going to press this arrow. Then that's going to highlight now. So you're going to put in the patient's ID or the control ID. Okay, control ID for control 1, and that's what the machine will recognize is 1, 1, 1, 1. 4 ones. Then you press enter. What do you think it will be for control 2? Oh, you guys are so smart. Enter. And control 3? So the machine recognizes those codes.
And if there was a patient?
If you want a patient, what would you put in? What does a patient get when they go to the hospital? They get patient ID, which is their medical record number. Remember that. Patient's ID is usually their medical record number. It will be on their wristband, it will be on their record. All the samples will have that number that identifies it to that patient, right? So that number will actually go in there. Or if there's a barcode, so if this sample, you want to send this information to a computerized system, the barcode will